Okay, this video is Dr. Rogers Explains Dr. Mcdougall. What this is about, it's a legacy lecture to celebrate the legacy of Dr. Mcdougall. It was given over at VegSource. The link is in the description below. Basically, Dr. Mcdougall figured out the most important thing in all of healthcare. The most important thing I've learned in over 30 years of being a doctor is that if you just eat this starch-based diet, almost all of these chronic diseases, they just go away. They're cured. Okay, that's the most important thing you can know in all of healthcare. Mcdougall basically primarily spoke to patients. He would explain to patients, this is how you get better. Here's the data that shows from epidemiology, anthropology, research, his own clinical experience with himself and with all his patients. This is what gets patients better. And through the history of nutrition, having read Kempner, Burkett, Pritikin, etc. Whereas what I did was a little different. I went through the mechanisms of everything. Why it is true from a biochemical basis. And I'll add a little bit of epidemiology and whatnot there, but more information has come along since Dr. Mcdougall's day, and I've added to that by going through all those papers with a lot of diagrams to show how it all works, with the thought in mind that the more you understand how it works and everything is consistent with this low-fat vegan approach, the more motivation you have to try it. Because most patients, they turn it down and they don't get better. Most patients have terrible outcomes, okay? But it doesn't have to be that way. So anyways, I hope you enjoy the lecture. It's a pretty extensive lecture covering, his life's works, greatest doctor who ever lived, and I went through lots of the basic concepts. What causes diabetes? What causes hypertension? What causes autoimmune disease? What causes abdominal pressure syndrome? Why does this increase the risk of cancer? All this stuff. So anyways, I hope you enjoy it. Links in the description below.